idea on the potential downtime if you didn't have the fit machine in place?
Remachining or remaking shafts does add, what turns maybe an 8-hour job into a 24, 48-hour job. So definitely catching bearings early and getting onto them before they damage shafts. I'd say it's probably that 4-to-1 sort of ratio in terms of downtime. We've probably saved the 4. We've now got what I would consider a very cost-effective way of just monitoring whether our lines are actually running or not. So we had the fit machine operating on our pulverisers. It's the heart of our business, and it's a bottleneck for our production lines. And we've also experienced failures in the past where if we don't pick up quickly on a failed bearing or on one of these cutting discs, then they can collapse onto each other, smash the discs, and then I guess not only lead to downtime but considerable cost. So quite extensive for us from a downtime point of view, and also from a cost point of view. All in all, for us, a really good example of why we've made the investment and what we think we're going to get out of the fit machine.